Magnetochromism is a phenomenon where materials change color in response to a magnetic field. This effect originates from structural changes at the nanoscale rather than electronic displays. The observed color arises from interactions between visible light and field-induced structures. We see the visible range is 400 to 700 nanometers. Chromism types show reversible color changes from external thermochromism. Light causes photochromism, but magnetochromism is controlled by magnetic fields. Heat causes achromia lead to different mechanisms, as shown here. This behavior is most commonly observed in magnetic nanoparticle systems. These nanoparticles typically measure around 10 nanometers in diameter. Under a magnetic field, each particle develops a magnetic dipole moment. The dipoles begin to align with the field. As alignment progresses, the dipole moments begin to interact. Dipole-dipole interactions drive particles to align into chains. These chains create ordered structures with characteristic spacing. This periodic spacing determines how light is diffracted, producing color. In these systems follows principles analogous to Bragg scattering in periodic structures. Constructive interference occurs when the path difference equals an integer multiple of wavelength. This condition selectively enhances specific wavelengths while suppressing others. Increasing interparticle spacing shifts reflected light toward longer wavelengths. Decreasing spacing shifts the reflected wavelength toward the blue region. This enables continuous tuning of color across the visible spectrum. At sufficient order, these structures behave as photonic crystals.
They exhibit photonic band gaps that restrict propagation of certain wavelengths.
A magnetic field alters lattice spacing, shifting the photonic band gap. This establishes a direct link between magnetic field strength and observed color. In this regime, thermal energy enables spontaneous flipping of magnetic moments. When thermal energy exceeds the anisotropy barrier, magnetization becomes unstable. The characteristic timescale is described by nail relaxation. In fluids, rotational motion leads to Brownian relaxation. The effective response combines Neal and Brownian relaxation mechanisms. An external magnetic field suppresses fluctuations and aligns magnetic moments. This alignment drives rapid self-assembly into chain-like structures. Chain stability depends on the balance between magnetic and thermal energies. When the field is removed, thermal motion, restores the disordered state. Magnetochromism is strongly influenced by the intrinsic properties of the material. In materials like magnetite, magnetic moments arise from ordered electron spins. These materials are typically synthesized as nanoparticles and dispersed in fluids. Cobalt ferrite exhibits stronger magnetic anisotropy compared to magnetite. Magnetic anisotropy defines preferred directions of magnetization within the material. External fields compete with anisotropy to reorient magnetic moments.
Materials with higher anisotropy require stronger fields for alignment.
This directly affects the speed and intensity of magnetochromic response. More complex oxides exhibit magnetochromism through coupled electronic and magnetic effects. In multiferroics, magnetic and electric ordering are intrinsically coupled. In ferrofluids, magnetic nanoparticles remain dispersed as a stable colloidal suspension under thermal motion. Application of a magnetic field induces dipole moments, resulting in linear assemblies of nanoparticles aligned along the field direction. These field-aligned assemblies create periodic spacing that interacts with visible light. In solid elastomers, nanoparticles are embedded within a deformable polymer matrix. Magnetic alignment occurs under elastic constraints imposed by the surrounding material. This structural rearrangement modifies optical transmission through the material. Core shell particles enable independent tuning of magnetic and optical properties. Rotating magnetic fields induce controlled reorientation of these particles. Collective ordering produces a reconfigurable photonic structure. Experimental systems correlate magnetic input with optical output for quantitative analysis. Magnetochromic materials can function as passive magnetic field sensors. The local color directly corresponds to magnetic field strength at each position. This relationship can be calibrated to enable quantitative field measurement. Magnetochromic inks enable authentication through field-dependent optical responses. The response depends on precise nanoparticle composition and dispersion, making replication difficult. Magnetochromic systems can regulate light transmission in smart window applications. Magnetic alignment reduces scattering, increasing transparency. This enables simultaneous control of optical and thermal properties. Spatially controlled magnetic fields can generate reconfigurable display patterns. These systems convert magnetic inputs directly into optical outputs without electronic intermediates.
Nanoparticle size and morphology are typically characterized using electron microscopy.
A narrow size distribution is essential for uniform optical response. Optical spectroscopy is used to measure wavelength-dependent transmission under magnetic fields. The transmission spectrum shifts as the magnetic field modifies structural spacing. The temporal response reveals how quickly the structure reorganizes under applied fields. Magnetochromic systems typically exhibit reversible and repeatable behavior. At high field strengths, structural alignment reaches saturation. Thermal fluctuations can disrupt alignment, reducing optical contrast. Fluid viscosity influences the rate of structural reorientation. Optimizing magnetochromic systems requires balancing stability, response speed, and optical performance.
Magnetochromism differs fundamentally from other chromic phenomena in its driving mechanism. Each chromic effect arises from distinct physical processes governing light interaction.
The process can be understood as a sequence linking magnetic input to optical output. Several fundamental relations govern magnetochromic behavior. This phenomenon spans multiple length scales, from atomic structure to macroscopic optical behavior. Material design parameters determine the efficiency and tunability of the response. Performance is constrained by thermal fluctuations, viscosity, and magnetic saturation. Current research focuses on hybrid materials and improved structural control. Magnetochromism demonstrates how structure, controlled by magnetic fields, governs optical properties. It represents a direct and elegant coupling between magnetic order and visible light.
Welcome to RP Tiwari Neo. Explore knowledge beyond limits.